Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ripple partner with Netflix to launch enterprise crypto payment service in Brazil. The rollout of Ripple's fast and the shift on-demand liquidity payment service means that enterprise will no longer have to wait 3 to 5 days to settle a costly cross-border transaction. Ripple's XRP token is said to be used to facilitate fast and cost-effective cross-border transaction in Brazil after the launch of RippleNet on-demand liquidity (ODL) with a foreign company Netflix. Digital payment network Ripple announced on the Tuesday that foreign exchange company Netflix will utilize RippleNet ODL to facilitate cross-border payment between enterprises by utilizing XRP. It also noted that Netflix Bank is the first bank approved by Brazil's central bank to operate exclusively in foreign exchange. Bom dia Brazil is open for Ripple's on-demand liquidity with Netflix outfits a Latam bank partner and the first bank approved by the Central Bank of Brazil to operate exclusive in the FX. Very exciting to bring crypto native solution to Brazil. While other Latin American companies such as Banco Rendimento, Remessa Online, Frente Correto, and Banco Toposia have already used a RippleNet. Open up more payment avenues in the region, and with more use case suited to enterprise need. The news comes as the Brazilian government approved their first Bitcoin law in April 2022, which set out to create a regulatory framework as to how cryptocurrencies will be regulated. Brazil is also in the process of rolling out a central bank digital currency (CBDC). However, the decision has been a controversial one, with economist Fabio Araújo of the opinion that the CBDC will be able to help bank runs and impose other restrictions on citizens' access to money. Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse said Brazil's adoption of a crypto-friendly regulatory framework and the surging institutional interest in digital asset solutions made the country a great fit for the ODL. Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse said Brazil's adoption of a crypto Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse said Brazil's adoption of a crypto-friendly regulatory framework and the surging institutional interest in digital asset solutions made the country a great fit for the ODL. Garlinghouse added that with over 1,718 billion with payment flowing into Brazil annually. Well, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.